heart and can really play. I don't think he gets a lot of credit in the play department versus the heart he's known. He's decelled. Did it make it? Did it make it? States. I leave Monday morning.
Technically a thing of beauty. He delivered that cue as well as you possibly can.
Yeah, he's so good at that shot, as well as many others. Just pull back here.
Shirt before as well. I think he might consider it his lucky shirt.
With shoes, shirts, patches. He will not be intimidated, but probably only motivated by his opponent after what Biado did a week and a half. As Mickey goes to break. Yeah, big thump, but a big problem now. Pink 4 down low. So it was a little misleading to the eye. What a great recovery, Phil, to use the 7, just to have a look at the paint. It's been spectacular since we've started on day 1. That 8 ball is potentially a big ball.
It applies to a lot actually, but I think he's an extreme example. The difference between his best and his worst is massive. When he defended the European Open title in Sarajevo earlier this year, he was .32, and I'll get you updated with all of the other scores at the end of this rack.
Look at this. That can have an impact on the object balls and the separation during the break. I don't exactly know, unless he thinks he can come up and down. In the lower right. Oh, he's just cinching it. I like this. He looks really good to me right now. That shot he just played takes a lot of confidence to have that extreme outside ball coming around 4 rails, although you can level out.
He was knocking on the door for a while, then it opened when he won the Mayor's Bucharest Open last year, followed up by winning the European Open. That was the major Scottish Open.
Oh, Carlo Biado. This is what he does. Be a good idea. Yeah, going inside the 7, bettering the position of the 7. So could this be a big point?
I'm sure Biado was surprised.
even if Mickey Biado here. I do think Biado is the best in the world elevating the cue.
His pot success rate from length was more than acceptable. And with his tactical nous.
Yeah, there's some highlights on Instagram, Matchroom's page, YouTube. Man.
After the World Championship final, when of course he won $250,000 US. He was talking to Adam Clappermoo. Adam, in all seriousness, will that get me into the Reyes Cup team? Yes, just about.
I would assume.
Biado, outstanding and humble.
Could just draw all the way down left. Yeah, this is the shot. Watch out. Lovely little rub. Like straight, where you can't go forward. Yeah, this is a little nasty. Real nasty now. Here he goes again, elevating. Gonna try and pinch back here.
He just kept his cool. Not much time left, actually, when he delivered the cue. And the might.
Settle. Needs a bump.
Can he do anything with the cue ball? He got the maximum out of that.
In the wide part of the pocket. Yeah, and that might just be a result. Really, we don't talk about turning points early in a match. Gotta wonder what his thought process was with that push out against what I think is probably the most confident player in the world right now. Compact player, Biado. Brings the cue back.
Yes, you could never describe him as a classical stylist when it comes to cueing. Of course, we've talked extensively about his World Championship win just a few days back. By doing that, he became the first Filipino to win the World 9-Ball title twice. Originally champion in 2017.
Yeah, and really one big mistake by Krause, and that was in game number 5. Great performance so far by Mickey. He's got to carry on. And you got to be a little careful here. Doesn't like to roll the ball very often. And this is the problem. Oh, he got away with it there. Natural on the 5. Okay. Yeah, he's just going to rifle it in, Phil.
But having been kept cold.
Pink 4 does play in the right side.
With another victory.
And Gorst will be the first to tell you he did not play anywhere near. I used to hate it when beat me and then lose the very next round. You know, there's just, as a pool player, there's really nothing worse. You want the guy that beat you to do really well, right?
For over a year, everyone who beat Ding Junhui, the snooker player.
How in depth is the snooker tour? My goodness, I love it. Well,
but Krause
yeah, Mickey just really does go out of his way to roll anything. Don't want any chances of the ball kind of kicking or turning over. I don't know why you don't come out 2 rails here. I feel like you can come out above the 6 2 rails. You're just going to go to the side, and that's fine. Just stay off the rail. No problem here.
3 distinct segments to this match. Krause solid to 4-0 in rack 9 breaking. And the third segment has seen Krause re-establish superiority.
Coming all the way home.
Yeah, 3-game lead. Strife.
Well, watch the 9 here. Well, good enough because the 2-9 is on target.
He was never going to miss that in a month.
Okay, what's it going to be? A combination or a carom into the 8? Looks like the carom just flicked the 6 in his next inning.
Is this the start of a second Biado rally? No surrender here.
Tries to jump at the 3, misses everything. Ball in hand for Biado, kind of reminiscent of the finals a week and a half ago, where Gorst continued to catch back up and then and that was the shot right there, nearest where the cue ball is now, and he should be happy, just a little bit past it, out towards the middle. This should be perfect. Now just make sure you get back out towards the middle again. You don't want to be short on the 6. Needs to run. That's perfect.
Mickey Krause in this match. Very solid and dependable in that category.
Can he just go forward? Oh, he is fine to go forward. And I'll bet you when they did the draw for the final 64, not too many people would have bet that Carlo Biado and Federgorst would be out of the event.
Yes, other intention. Now his hopes at the Florida Open hang by a thread. After that, by a very thin.
All defense. Yeah, contact he's made, great contact it was. Maybe a jump shot or two, but this is what he has continued to do. Just drive
push out very much aside. That's the right thing to do. No set game plan, just playing the balls, playing the table, not playing the opponent. And the difficulty of beating a particular opponent, just play pool.
Yeah, Phil, very well said there. How couldn't it? And he has done that. Mickey. And it was not by accident. He has played.
Part of a winning Mosconi Cup team right here at the Carib Royale Resort last year. What about an individual success at this venue? The chances remain alive.